Quad bikes in Tenerife. Everything you need to know. What kind of quad tours do we have in Tenerife? We have 7 types of quad tours: off-road, foresto, coastal, el Teide, Masca, Teide by night, and private quad tours. All of them have newest quad models and professional guides. How old do you have to be to ride a quad? In Spain, you need to be at least 18 years old. Do you need to have a driving license? Yes, car license is required. You have to bring it with you at the place. If you don't have the car license, you can sit only in the back of the quad. How much does a quad tour in Tenerife cost? Cost varies from 85 to 150 euros. Depends on the type of the tour and if you're 1 or 2 on the quad. Do they have pickup services? If you stay in the south of Tenerife in touristic zones, then pickup services are included in the price.